Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm just here to quick talk to you a little bit about if for some reason schools should switch from the green phase, which is what we're currently in, with our three options of having 4 days in school or doing hybrid option, which is having 2 days in school and 2 days out of school asynchronous, plus Wednesdays asynchronous, or doing online, which is our three options as of right now in green. If that should change to the yellow phase or to the red phase, this is what would happen or is anticipated to happen in the red phase. Now, students would have to navigate the online classroom, which I already posted an online classroom tour, so please feel free to view that in preparation for this upcoming school year. Regardless of what phase we're in, we will be using a good portion of that online classroom, and it's important to understand where all the materials are linked, so make sure that you view that. But if we should go into this red phase plan, it should look something of this nature, where on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays from 7:50 to 9 a.m., we have asynchronous assignments via Schoology available. Now, on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, students will have to go and attend their different block classes via Zoom. That means attendance will be marked dependent upon the student arriving and staying in class via Zoom during the times that are assigned. So for block 1, it's from 9 to 10. For block 2, it's from 10:05 to 11:05. Then there is a lunch break from 11:05 till noon. Noon to 1 is block 3. 1 to 2 is block 4. And then 2 to 3 is time for asynchronous assignments or small conferencing if students should need extra support. So, with all that in mind, students would need to arrive on Zoom at their assigned time for their block and complete assignments online. So they will need to be active online during that block time in order to be marked as present. The difference in the schedule would be on Wednesdays. Wednesdays we have specific blocks for tutoring. We have specific blocks for math, science, and social studies. As you might know, my name is Miss Brenner and I teach language arts. So your student either has me for 9th grade language arts or they have me for science fiction literature. So we would fall under block 4, which is other subject areas or tutoring. However, if the student would want to meet from 7:50 to 9, that would also be fine. I will probably have set up office hours. Most definitely during 1 to 2 I will have set office hours for students, but if they would need to meet at a different time due to their scheduling needs, I could most likely set up something else unless the district has me in meetings or doing other set priorities. So this is the anticipated schedule for a phase change where we could no longer offer all in school options. So if you have any questions, I would recommend getting in contact with the high school office or with the district. I will try and update you as often as possible when I have information, but that is all the information that I have as of August 28th, 2020. So I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.